Good afternoon, everybody. Welcome to Paul's Monday Market Update number 173 for Monday, 10th of February 2025. As always, you're always very welcome here, but just remember that you are always responsible for your own trading decisions. This is the Thomson Reuters Commodity CRB Index, okay? And why am I putting that up? Well, because we are living in interesting times, and that we have seen great dollar strength, okay, over the last 4 months, since basically the end of Q3 last year, and we've also at the same time had seen some commodity strength, the right strength in some commodities. So, for example, gold, which we'll look at in a moment, and weakness in other commodities, okay, which we'll look at in a moment. But the CRB index is a great way just to almost like take the temperature, a bit of a snapshot of overall, supply and demand for commodities, okay. And this is a weekly chart of it. And you can see going back, a couple of years now, we've pretty much been in a range between 260 and 300. But over the last couple of weeks, we've started to break out of that. Okay, not unsurprisingly, we kind of reversed here at sort of end of September, start of October last year. Linked to a little bit to the kind of dollar strength, but also the change in the world, really. And we've broken out of that. Okay, we've broken out of that, and we're holding above. For the last few weeks, we've been holding above 300. Okay, which is an indication. Of course, we're seeing rising commodity prices, which we have in a few commodities, and is that an indication of what else is going on? Because sometimes the, let's say, the correlation between the dollar, commodity prices, and also what we're about to look at, the emerging markets, sometimes that correlation is very, very clear, and it's enormously helpful if you swing trade dollar, swing trade commodities. Okay, it can be very useful. But we're seeing this kind of strength here in that commodity index, all right? And as I said, we only have to look at price of gold and also, silver in the last couple of weeks and a few of the others, okay, even oil, in terms of to give us an indication that those commodity prices have been rising, and this is basically, giving us a little bit of backup to do with that.